Turn my headphones up a little bit. I was always counting out. I was never. I was always counting out.
My fault, I didn't mean to be that first slice again. Make sure you like and subscribe for me at Daily TV. Yes, sir. Yeah, what's good, Sandwich Gang? We here, and I'm back with another cooking video. Y'all probably seen it on my social media. What we gonna be making? Some salmon sliders. Some salmon sliders. Oh yeah, I'm about to show you what you need and the ingredients, the instructions, everything that what you need to make this perfect. Yes, sir. First off, you want to go ahead and preheat this to 375. I already had it on. It's nice and warm. It's toasty right now. Yeah, that's the first thing. Next thing, you make sure you get your meat. Got this from Domino's. Look at that. Yeah, when you get your meat, you gotta have the slider bread. I also suggest Hawaiian rolls. I like Hawaiian rolls. Make sure you have your seasoning. This is what I'm using. Oh, forgot one thing. Because I don't have butter. Ham, olive oil. Okay? That's what you need. And then you also need your, last time I used lettuce, but I'm not going to use lettuce this time. This is the sauce that I use. You know, mayo chop. I like ketchup and mayo together. It's pretty good. And, you know, tomato. But we're not gonna need that until it's actually finished. All right, so the first thing, we're gonna rinse this off. I ain't been here in a while, so I'm gonna rinse that out. I know it's already clean because I was the last person to use it. I don't know how I set up my stuff, so that's where we stop. Now, go ahead and get your pan. Go ahead and boom. You see that? Perfect. Nice and perfect, you know what I'm saying? Because the meat gonna be directly right there in the center. You know, that's where the heat and the warmness come up from the bottom. And yeah, that's how it gets warm. And then, yeah, you know, I don't know about no ovens, but yeah. Let me go ahead and get this. And then slap this on here. All right, boom, slap both of them on there. So look, now you see the size and the length and the width. You feel me? Look, these are pretty small. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a guess. So, all right, I know what I'm gonna do. I bet. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have it like cut up like that, somewhat like that. So yeah, let me go ahead and chop this up real quick. So y'all. That's a decent size, but yeah, this is how I'm finna chop it up. Yeah. All right, now look, it's all chopped up. Now we gotta put the seasoning on there. Yes, sir. I don't have a lemon, so I'm gonna put lemon pepper seasoning on there. Onion powder, garlic powder. You don't want a little pepper. Clap your mama. All right, it's all flipped over now. Now I'm finna do the same thing. All right, bet. So I pretty much, like how I laid it out, gave it just a little bit of space, just a tad bit, not a lot. So now, we go ahead and put it in the oven. And just let it sit. All right, so salmon don't really take forever. You pretty much have to watch it. You don't want to overcook it. You overcook it, it's gonna be dry. You want it to be nice, like just a little bit juicy, but not too juicy. That's how you know it's not really done. So, start putting these on. So, I'll say 10 minutes, 10 to 14 minutes max to keep it in the oven. And then you're gonna see the final outcome. All right, so ice the gang. So look. It was 5 minutes past. So, it's time to flip it. All right. That's 5 minutes right there. It looks really good, but let's go ahead and flip this. And flip this. All right. That's 5 minutes in, y'all. Now, we're gonna put it in for another 5 minutes. Then we're gonna see. After the next 5 minutes, we're gonna flip it back, and then we're gonna let it sit. All right, so in the meanwhile, I got the plate for the rolls ready, but I'm about to show y'all something. This is what I did last time. You get a flat pan, I mean like that. Just turn it on. Let's go 6. While that's warming up, get some Pam. I'm about to show y'all why I'm doing this. Watch this. I'm about to show y'all. Watch this. See, this time we're gonna have to spray all of it, just because of the rolls. It's good because this is pretty good. All right, y'all. So I opened up the bread. All right, that's going. See, it's warm. It's not hot enough. I need all this. You'll see when it's done. It's not really done. It's not really warmed up yet. It's not hot enough yet for my preference. So once that warmed up, I can show y'all what I do next. Salmon's in there. I'll go ahead and start cutting up the tomato. You already know rule number 1. You know it. Yeah. Yes, sir. Bet. So I cut it up. What I'm about to do, I'm not gonna put these huge pieces on the salmon, so I'll probably just slice it literally right in half because the sliders are small. All right, y'all. Just laid the bread on there, and that's 5 minutes. So now let's take this out. Close this, and we're gonna flip it one more time. All right, you see it? Now what I'm about to do, that's what I'm about to do. Open up. Put it in there for 3 minutes, literally 3 minutes. So I had it in there for 5 minutes, flipped it, another 5 minutes. Now we're going 3 minutes. But you can just turn it off and just put a timer on there for 3 minutes, and then it's gonna be working. Now, with the bread, you see this? It's like, it's getting a little toasty. You know what I'm saying? It's getting a little toasty. But those are done because I had it on 7. Look, that's how you want it. So let me go ahead and put these on the plate for you. See, I left some not as burnt for my roommate because he don't really like burnt toast. But me personally, I like just a tad bit like that. Alright, so now, that's what you do. First, you grab the tomato, put it on there. Alright, once the tomato on there, you put the salmon on there. My apologies, I couldn't lift the, the tongs up and put the salmon on there. Once the salmon on there, you get your sauce and just drizzle a little bit on there. Alright, some of them have sauce, these 3 have sauce. And these 2 doesn't. I have another plate. Put that on there. I have another plate over here. But, yep. I'm about to show y'all the final product. Now for the slider. Y'all don't know what y'all missing. Yep. Give my roommate a piece. See what that thing here on, man.
What got the sauce?
Got that sauce on there. Tomato.
How y'all got down? Ooh.
Nice and juicy. Hey, yeah. Yeah. Did my thing on that one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Where the fuck you cook this shit at?
Huh?
Where you cook this at?
What do you mean I cooked it at? Cooked it right there in the oven. In the oven. That thing good, ain't it? Yes, sir. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and fill y'all in on some more stuff soon, more content. Yes, sir. You know, I like to cook. We like to eat. We like to travel. You'll see us more. We always traveling somewhere to try new foods, travel different places, different states. We don't care how far it is. We're gonna try it out. But yeah. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Yes, sir.